welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, and as you can tell by the title, this is Days in My Life Summer Edition. And right now I am in Pensacola, Florida for summer vacation. Today is only Monday, so it's just the first day. It's like, I got a time in here? Like around 5 something. So we still gotta go get our bags out of the car and stuff, but it's so nice in here, guys. Like I literally can't even, like I'm kind of starstruck. But yeah, not much today. Probably just about to go see what's up with the pool, chill there, and then come back and settle down. So I hope this angle is good. I don't know if it's great or not. But right now it's 8:49 and we just got back from the water park. Also, I got finished packing since we leave tomorrow and my shower is taken. But I just wanted to take a moment to just sit here and actually talk to you guys, because I don't think I actually like sat and like made conversation since I said the trip begins in the room back on Monday. So I just want to give you guys a little actual physical update to say that once again we leave tomorrow. Check out 𝚲𝚎 for 11 or so. So like I said, I already packed my stuff and have my stuff ready to go. Today was fun. It was very eventful. Wednesday, I want to throw out a little disclaimer. So I felt really nauseous for some reason. Like I took a nap and then I woke up and then I just started feeling very, very sick. So I could not get a lot of footage from when we went out to eat, because like I said, I really didn't feel good, but I got as much as possible for you guys so you guys can see the moment that I seen and enjoyed with my family. So little disclaimer for that part. As the trip wraps up, I do want to say I enjoyed it. It was very much an experience. I've been to other parts of Florida. I've been to Destin, Florida, and now Pensacola. Next maybe Orlando. But these are just one of those trips where I'm kind of like, I don't know how to feel about it, because you know, like you leaving today, going home tomorrow. It's like you want to go home, but you also don't want to leave. So I wouldn't say I'm indifferent about it, but yeah, I do feel some type of ways, because it's like I'm a low-key miss this little apartment, because it's nice, don't get me wrong, but also I miss my bed, I miss my cat, so on and so forth. Like I said, I just wanted to give you guys a little update, a little talking, since I'm pretty sure all you guys have been hearing or will be hearing is music for this past couple minutes of the video. So yeah, I'm probably about to eat and then absolutely go to bed, because I am exhausted. I was in the sun all day long from like 12 to 7, so well 6-ish. So I will see you guys tomorrow when we are heading out.